Maine is the oldest state in the country, but retirement prospects can be bleak for a lot of people.
Yeah, and as it turns out, gender plays a role in that. News Center Maine's Chloe Thibault joins us live this morning from Augusta with details on a new report released on this issue. Hi, Chloe.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, earlier this week, the Maine Council on Aging and Maine Women's Lobby presented a new report which explains how and why older women in Maine are more likely to be living in poverty than older men. Now, you might remember the story I did a couple of weeks ago about the affordability or lack thereof of retirement in our state. Well, this was a whole separate part of that conversation that's worth explaining now.
Yeah, do you guys want some cracked corn?
Orono's Linda Doherty is 72 years old. She lives alone and does odd jobs to make ends meet.
I work at a greenhouse in Eddington.
Linda is divorced and says that experience affected her finances, especially as a female.
Mostly it's women that have the issue because we've worked lower level jobs. If you're standing at the cash register in a retail shop, it's all minimum wage.
A new report by the Cutler Institute for Health and Social Policy indicates later in life that economic disparity becomes clear. The report says median income for Maine women 65 years and older is a little more than $22,000 compared to $27,000 for men. That means half of older Maine women who live alone likely have a hard time covering basic expenses.
They don't have enough money to pay for heat, property taxes, food, transportation, basic needs, healthcare.
The report also says compared to men, women are more likely to be outside of the labor force, be paid less in the labor force, work part-time jobs that don't have benefits, and provide unpaid labor like caring for children or aging parents.
Retirement security disproportionately is a women's issue.
Senator Susan Collins says there's also another factor at hand.
Women live longer than men do, so their retirement savings need to last longer.
Something Mainers like 80-year-old Fran Seeley might find hard to do.
The highest salary I ever earned, even with a master's and credentials in teaching and administration, was $22,000 a year.
It's why advocates are calling for change.
What this report does is really catalog, years of the impact of years of wage disparity on women.
Now, Jess Maurer says older women in Maine are also more likely to live alone than older men. And a consequence of that issue is that paying out of pocket for long-term care later in life ends up just not being realistic. Live in Augusta this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center, Maine.
All right, some disturbing statistics there. Thank you, Chloe.